Hey guys, welcome back to Cookside. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make tomato jam with two simple ingredients. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, consider subscribing. For the tomato jam, I'm taking 4 red tomatoes. Just remove the core of the tomato and make a small cut on the top to make it easier to peel. Take a pan and pour water enough for boiling and then drop the tomatoes and boil them for 10 minutes. After the tomatoes are boiled, transfer them into a bowl of cold water and allow them to cool for 10 minutes. After the tomatoes have cooled, peel off the tomatoes and transfer them into another bowl. Smash the tomatoes using a spoon or a fork. Take a juice strainer and strain the tomato puree. Here I am taking equal quantity of sugar and tomato puree. Take a pan and add the tomato puree and then add the sugar. Mix everything until the sugar dissolves completely. Keep mixing until the jam thickens. This consistency is enough. Don't make it too thick because the jam will get little more thicker after it cools down. So this simple 2-ingredient tomato jam is done. You can store this jam in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cookside.